Hello po mga beautifuls. Mag, magkukwento po ako ng Jack and the Beanstalk. Ito na po. Ikapin natin. One Jack and the Beanstalk. Once upon a time, there was a poor widow who lived in a cottage with her son Jack. Was a shoeless boy, but affectionate and kind-hearted. There had been a hard winter, and it, after it, the poor woman who had suffered from fever. Jack did no work, and they grew dreadfully, dreadfully, dreadfully poor. Widow saw that there was no means of keeping Jack and